about to go into the market to pick our ingredients for our cooking course.
Yeah, exciting.
So it's got coconut milk and sugar at the moment, then the sticky rice is in there, we're going to mix it all together. So I'll stop it from burning. Really good cooking course, wasn't it?
Oh, amazing.
So good.
Genuine Thai curry.
And there was just two of us as well, which is awesome, isn't it? Pad Thai, yummy. Night in Thailand tonight, and there's going to be a beach barbecue and some fire show or something, so we're going to go to now go.
Bye.
I'm going.
Go on, man.
Kind of.
Don't go yet.
Bye. Bye.
No, don't go.
Love you. I will. I will. I will. Someone film me walking off.
Yeah. With your phone?
No, not with my phone. I made it! Oh my god. It's actually quite nice. Ooh, bathroom. Ooh. Hello. God, that was a faff. Hello, I'm here. It's 5:30 in the morning. This is how I carry my bags. It's really heavy, but I got no choice. On the way to my flight to Auckland, which I'm quite excited about, to be honest, because I've never been to New Zealand, obviously. That's why I'm going. But yeah, it should be fun. So, see you in the airport.